I'm going to be showing you how to fix location wrong or not updating issue in Tinder. So to fix incorrect or unupdating location issues on Tinder, first, you need to ensure your device's location services and internet connection are strong and enabled for Tinder. So you just need to check your device's settings for this. Just go ahead and open your setting and make sure you have granted access to your location services to Tinder. Just find Tinder right there. And just go to location, which is right at the top, and make sure you have allowed location access. So after you've enabled that, what you need to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong internet connection by switching Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can try restarting your device. A simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Try restarting the Tinder app and reinstall Tinder altogether. So in these ways, you can successfully fix wrong location or not updating issue in Tinder. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.